Happy Wednesday, creatives. Are you all out here throwing away good Dolly images because of crazy hands? Well, I'm going to show you an easy trick in Canva so that you can have the perfect image. Now she has 4 fingers, but boom, now she has 5s. Let me show you how I did this. So here's a good Dolly image with 5 fingers. I'm going up to Edit Photo, Background Remover, and then I'm going to select Magic Eraser because I want to erase everything except for her hand. Now I'm using my finger on my iPad, but if you have an iPen, that would be much better. Okay, so now that I have the hand alone, I'm going to download it as a transparent PNG, and then I'm going to upload it back into Canva. Okay, so boom, now I need to prepare my main image by using the background remover, and then I'm going to use Magic Eraser to erase the bad hand. So here's the fun part, and it's just like playing with paper dolls. Select the hand from Uploads and then play around with it to get the right position, and then voila, you'll have the perfect image.